Good morning, folks. Hey, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? Great day, great day. Today is the day the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be extremely glad and blessed in it. Just wanted to bring you up to date. Look at here. Joists are going in. All right. Boom. It's a little bit too full, but we had issue thinking that the sides were bowed in, but like I said online, it'll fix itself. Oh, I need to pull that back. But yeah, joists are going in and making progress. Hopefully tonight I can put some more work in and get all of them in. Told them to go ahead and lay the joist tape on all of them, so when I get home, cut what's needed and screw them in place. We can start putting deck boards on. But haven't been recording, as you know. They're getting antsy, so they're out here every time I'm out here and can't really record. But hey, ooh, oh, that is hot. The water has to be at least 90 degrees. Nice. No, I can't wait to get in myself. It is Sunday, 4-5 days later, getting back to the pool. And as you can see, I might not get much done. My main thing today, if anything at all, getting that electrical, which is this right here. So we're about to see how easy it is to pull the other one through from down there. Being 116 feet away from the house, I decided to purchase 10/3 extension cord, 150 foot, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to get this up there. What I'm going to do is plug this into this one, pull the string tight, tie this on the back end, take this giant electrical tape and wrap the whole thing so it doesn't come unplugged. If anything catches, and it shouldn't, I'm gonna go start yanking. That's the pipe it's coming out of. So if I had it coming over the joist and straight down, it'd be much easier. But let's see what happens. I went back down to the deck and laced the hot extension cord over the 2x4 joist. Let's see how easy. Just come on through. Come on. Oh no. Because of the T down at the other end, I am unable to pull the rest of the extension cord through. Because wishful thinking, PPP, and not doing due diligence, I have to remove everything there and dig that up. I need to get back to about 6 inches behind those bricks. The T's down there needs to come out so I can put this in and then put that top piece into this. Oh, and another PPP moment. Forgot the coupling to attach that one to this. Hopefully that has a coupling end on it. I'll be all right. So here I thought I was gonna do this real quick, have her set the pump up and filter while I'm finishing measuring the deck and cutting. And now. You can see the T right there. That's where I need to go. Oh no. There's another gray pipe right there. Jeez. That was supposed to be a continuation to go to the shop. I gotta rip all that out somehow. Now to clean this out and just fit this elbow. And no, the pipe does not have a coupling end on it. So I'm pretty much stuck till tomorrow morning. Tomorrow evening actually. Take all this out. I'm going to tell you, I'm here to say our Father upstairs always provides. I figure I was stuck until tomorrow evening after work. But on the other side of this T was this pipe. And on the other side of this pipe was this coupling. Yeah. Like I said, I had plans to keep running towards the shop. That is why. So now I have coupling from the elbow to, put you down for a minute. Ooh. Sideways tripod. To the pipe. So, put this in the ground. Oh, stick this part together first and then put the rest of it in the ground and we're good to go. I didn't get too far with the deck, so I'm gonna end the video here, because here's why. It's my neighbor's yard. You can't see below mine. My work tent has taken a poop. It's done. I think the weight of the water. But some joists are laid out, screwed in. Not as many as I'd like to. So that's going to be the end of the video. Appreciate y'all watching. And, you know, hopefully the next one will be it. We can knock it out, close it out. You guys see the finished product. All right. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, and drop a comment.